In this video, we'll be demonstrating how we prepare the muscle strips that we use in this practical class, just so you get a better idea as to what it is that we're actually testing and also what part of the heart that these strips come from. First of all, we take a heart from an adult cane toad, and these cane toads are shipped down to us from some cattle stations up in Queensland. We then place the heart in some normal Ringer's solution containing butanoione monoxime, which prevents the thick and thin filaments from over-shortening when the muscle is in the unloaded state, and therefore preserves the contractility of the heart muscle. We also have either oxygen or carbogen bubbling into that solution to make sure that the muscle is well oxygenated. We then pin the apex of the heart to the wax that's in the base of the petri dish. And we cut off the atria, leaving just the ventricles held down by the pin. Next, using some very fine iris scissors, we cut very small strips from the heart muscle. And just to give you an idea of the size, we usually get about 5 to 6 of these strips from a single heart muscle. You can see the strips being collected here. Now here comes the tricky bit. Once you've got enough strips, you then tie a really small loop in a piece of cotton, and then reach through that loop with your fine forceps and grab the end of one of the muscle strips. And here's where you'll wish you had at least 2 more pairs of hands. You then need to tighten the loop of your knot whilst holding the muscle in place so that you end up with a string of cotton around one end of that muscle strip. Here Adele makes it look easy, but he's done thousands of these strips by now. Once that's done, we then place the strip into a beaker of oxygenated normal Ringer's solution to be taken out to the class when they're ready.